Bucky from Kentucky here. Name the animal. Are you an animal expert or an amateur? Can you name all 10 of these animals? Okay, animal lovers, from the commonplace to the rare and exotic, let's see how good you can do. Name these 10 animals. Then let me know how many you got right in the comments, where you're from, and if you learned something new today. If you want to play again, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Good luck. Ready, set, go!
Aww.
Yeah, they are cute. Yes, that is my music.
Aww.
Oh, that was so cute! Yeah, that was cute! Whoa!
2, 3, 4. Hump. 2, 3, 4. Answers: number 1, aardvark. Number 2, jackal. Number 3, toucan. Number 4, sturgeon. Number 5, Jackson's chameleon. Number 6, sugar glider. Number 7, a thorny devil. Number 8, mandrill. Number 9, army ant. And number 10, the alpine ibex. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Ready for the next one? Thank you both.
Recorded in front of a live studio audience.